Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is International Islamic University, Islamabad Schools, Sahiwal Campus. Science Grade 4, Unit number 1, Lesson number 1. Students, bring your students' book and classwork notebook. Open them and keep them open during lecture. Write date, topic and index properly. Listen to your teacher attentively and write down all the important points said by the teacher on your classwork notebook. Write down the answers, all the answers on your classwork notebook. How can technology affect our lives? Unit number 1, lesson number 1. So look at question number 1, look and label. Look at page number 4. Here is the question number 1 given, look and label. Here are some pictures given, so you have to write correct caption to these pictures from the words given above. So there are 6 pictures, so you have to write and correct captions to these pictures from the given words which are given here on the page number 4. For example, can opener, axe, scissor, seesaw, wheel and screw. So you have to put an appropriate word and write it on an appropriate place. Question number 2. What are each of the machines used for? Discuss with a partner. So you have to write about the use of each machine. Here 6 simple machines are given. So you have to write for what purpose this machine is used. Question number 3. How can machine help you solve problem? Discuss with a partner. So here you have to write that how can a machine help us to solve our problems, how can machine reduce the amount of energy, and how can machines help us in doing harder job easier. Lesson number 1, page number 5. Question number 1. Read and complete the graphic organization. Write details about the work. So page number 5, you can see the graphic organization where main idea is given and the first detail is also given. For example, you do work when you move an object. So you have to write 2 more details about the work using this organization. Question number 2. How does the pole help this vaulter jump higher? Discuss as a class. So here is a vaulter jumper is shown and he is having a pole. So you have to write that how does this pole have the vaulter jump to move it high and more high jump. Question number 3. Read and write the name of 6 simple machines shown on page number 6 and 7. So you have to read page number 6 and 7. Here 6 simple machines are given, so you think about the name of this simple machine and just write the name of these simple machines. Question number 4. What is the common name for the wedge you use to cut a cake? Discuss with a partner and write its name. So this is a very easy question. You just have to think about what is the common name for the wedge you can use to cut a cake. So we commonly use this at home, so you have to just write the common name of this wedge. Page number 7. Question number 5. Look at this shape. This is a wedge shape is given over here on the page number 7. Question number 5. Draw an X on the simple machine that has this shape. So look at page number 6 and find out which simple machine has a wedge shape, and also write down how does the shape help this machine to work, and you have to also write that how this wedge shape help this simple machine to work. Discuss with a partner. Question number 6. Which simple machine would you use for each task? Discuss with a partner. So here 3 tasks are given. Number 1 is raise a flag on a pole. Number 2 is open a can of a paint, and the third one is cut an apple. So you have to just write in front of these tasks that which simple machine is used to done these tasks. Question number 7. How is a jar lid a screw? So you have to write about that a jar lid is a screw. So write that how does a jar lid a screw. This is basically a simple type of screw, so you have to discuss it and write its answer. Question number 8. Read and look at the machine on page number 6 and 7. Complete the caption with words from the box. So you have to read page number 6 and 7, learn about the simple machines, and then the picture given on the page number 8 having 3 blanks and 3 words: wedge, axle, and levers. So you have to write these 3 words or these 3 simple machine names on appropriate place in the picture of can opener. Question number 9. Write a list of 3 complex machines that you and your family have used this week. Write with a partner. Compare your list. So you have to write a list of 3 complex machines. We use many complex machines on our daily basis. So you just put 3 simple machines and write their names that you used. Question number 10. Read, where would you find a wedge inside a lawnmower? Discuss with a partner and write your answer. So you have to find that where a wedge is present in this complex machine, where this wedge, a simple machine, is present, and write your answer. Question number 11. Draw a line from each simple machine to its correct part on the bicycle. And the simple machines are lever, pulley, wheel, and axle. So you have to look at page number 9. The picture of a bicycle is given, and you have to just mark that portions which have these simple machines: lever, pulley, wheel, and axle. Additional questions. So here are some additional questions which you have to do. Question number 1. What is a machine? So you can find this answer, that what is a machine, on page number 5 and write its answer. Question number 2. What is a complex machine? You have to find what is a complex machine, think about it, and then write it. Question number 3. Describe lawnmower as a complex machine. Lawnmower is a complex machine, so you have to discuss in that manner, that how it is a complex machine, how does it work. So you have to describe lawnmower as a complex machine mainly. Students, write all the questions and their answers on your classwork notebooks, and you have to very careful about that. The space for which questions is given on your book, which questions have space to write down the answer on your book. You have to write these questions and their answers on the book, and the other questions which do not have space on your book, you have to write down their answers on your classwork notebook. So this is end of our lesson. Allah Hafiz.